Hello friends, my name is Aniket and I am going to present a presentation on combined isolation system. Here is the introduction. The combined isolation system possesses suitable initial and post-yielding horizontal stiffness. The initial stiffness is provided by stiffness of rubber bearing and sliding rubber bearing. The post-yielding stiffness is provided by stiffness of rubber bearing and friction of sliding bearing. Combined isolation system composed of laminated rubber bearing and sliding rubber bearing is developed to satisfy serviceability under lower intensity earthquakes and wind loads and response reduction under strong earthquakes. Here are the two bearings and their pictures. First one is laminated rubber bearing and second one is the sliding rubber bearing. Further we studied about the we will study about the laminated rubber bearing. Here is the laminated rubber bearing. The laminated rubber bearing is a type of seismic isolation bearing that a reinforcing steel plate is laminated between rubbers in form of layer so that it prevents the buckling behavior of rubber for vertical load and maintains high vertical stiffness while showing the flexibility of rubber in the horizontal direction. Along with this, there are some advantages and disadvantages of this laminated rubber bearing. Here are the advantages and disadvantages. Advantages are laminated rubber bearings are the lowest initial cost bearing type. Laminated rubber bearings are very low maintenance if installed properly. Laminated rubber bearings may be combined with TFE or stainless steel sliding surface components to accommodate larger movements. Many different configurations of laminated rubber bearings are possible. Here are the disadvantages. Laminated rubber bearings are not well suited for multi-rotation. Laminated rubber bearing can walk out of place with time if not positively held in place. Laminated rubber bearing exhibit more vertical deflection than pot bearings. Laminated rubber bearing exhibit varying degrees of vertical deflections from bearing to bearing. Second one is the sliding rubber bearing, which is used in combined isolation system. Sliding elastometric bearing or rubber bearing is suitable for large displacement bridges with structure of large span, multi-span continuous beam, simply supported beam. Here are the advantages. High load carrying capacity. It has high load carrying capacity. It is easy to replacement and infinite life. It has infinite life. And here are the disadvantages. In some cases you need to have a dedicated lubricating system, more expensive. This combined isolation system is useful for the large high-rise structures and for the bridges where the seismic level is high, or that zone which are uh, earthquake prone zone. These isolation systems are more useful in that area. So always prefer to combine isolation system, and thank you for listening.